Today's video is regarding brother printer, that is MFC J491DW, how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and you can see on the right hand side there is a section. This is a section where we actually install the cartridges. You can see this side, so we can just push it forward and this opens the front door. So now here we can take these cartridges out and we can install the new one. So the method is to press this, and from the top you will see it slides outside and it comes out. So you just have to press only, it will automatically comes out. And when you have to install new, so just push it inside and it locks itself. So that's the way we can use it. So it's quite easy and just matches the color like black, yellow. So just install according to that. And for this particular printer we use LC3011. That is for black and that is for yellow. So it's all the same model. So it's easy, and once we do this, close this chamber. Thanks for watching.